Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Pumakus and Marak, belong Menteri ke Sorkar Jelah Bakmi Yakatanat PHE, Ula Kentat Yaka Jingkeno, Bagadang Jersi Bamsap, Naga Jingpyntrei Kam Yaka Skhim Jal Jefen Mission, Hapok ke Jelah Barok away. Hagaji akademik lar patai kubor hakat pesawat truk yayong arajar pausan, Umarak Ulong, Bagajing rang truk hong juga sun meneng, kelabu jing ek kendiat, ban penpoy ku umbam umdi, Syakilong ying, kula penyesok ling bagan Yaka Skhim. Shu Ulong, Bagadang third party berjulit jurip syuawan pelat Yaka pisah Syaki kontraktor.
There's no JJM corruption here. I think he's misunderstanding. Whatever the projects are ongoing, works are doing very well. But there are issues like, source drying up. The source issues are there. We are struggling with the source issues. And those source issues which have already reflected in the critical water sources, government is also trying to address that issues also. But as the corruption charges are there, actually, the way the JJM is implemented, once you complete the work, there's a third party which inspects and recommends for the payment. Only then the government go and make the payment for the contractors. So there's no chance of any corruption.
He was saying there was a pipeline in his name, top connection in his house.
Well, if there are so, we can look into this matter. There's no compromise on that kind of allegations. See, there are lots of problems in implementation, especially in JJM. When the issue of construction of treatment plants come up, definitely it will be in somebody's land. So the landowner has to be consulted. When landowners don't agree with the department or with the contractor, then it gets delayed. So to convince the landowners, it takes time. Number two, there are issues of forest also. So we need to, get a NOC from the forest department. For that also we are struggling. There are several procedures to go for getting the forest NOC. So therefore, these are the issues where we are stuck up. Otherwise, all the projects are going on in time. But there are some issues also, like while laying the pipes, you come across with somebody's land. So if the landowner is not willing, it takes time. So therefore, these are the issues where we are stuck up.
So by when?
We are given time now till 2028. But before that, we are trying our level best to complete it. The project is completed. In most of the those projects are completed. It is handed over to the village authorities, BWSCs. So once it is handed over, it is with the BWSCs to take over and maintain the project, but which is missing in some of the projects. Those BWSCs which are taking over and taking the ownership, and they're doing very well. So therefore, here also, because of the not taking of the ownership, we are taking responsibility. So the blame comes to the department. So we are struggling with these issues, challenges. Having said so, we are not saying we are abandoning the projects. No, we are not. We are trying to highlight these issues again and again to the BWSCs and then getting it resolved. These are the issues. And then there are projects which are taking too long for completion because those contractors who got the work, they abandoned the project because they felt that the work will not benefit them. So that work has to be given to somebody else, and that contractor needs some time to start the work. So these are the issues where we are stuck up. Otherwise, things are moving smoothly.